Recently, has been this field called data science, which has emerged as some sort of combination of machine learning, statistics, engineering, big data, so to speak, where data these days, the data sets that we handle are not large enough to fit in system memory in a computer. And therefore, we must figure out a way to compute and crunch all of these numbers in a distributed fashion. The combination of all these things, more or less, is what I interpret the term data science to be. And data science has become very coveted by companies these days because people want to understand what their data is. Perhaps you have a hedge fund, which may be figuring out what the optimal portfolio allocation should be. And so therefore you need to run some certain tests and understand what assets are available and make decisions from data that way. Here's another example. Perhaps our most popular ride-sharing services these days in big cities need people to figure out the best routing algorithms to move the car from point A to point B and to point C. And furthermore, how do you adjust prices optimally? Maybe a price should rise during peak rush hour, and maybe it should fall when nobody is using the service. These problems, more or less, are encompassed by what we call data science. It's mostly a glamorous and modern version of what people would have called statistics, but with just an additional computational and engineering focus as well.